This weekend, northern China experienced its most intense winds in decades, with gusts soaring up to 150 km/h. In Beijing alone, over 700 trees were uprooted, leaving a trail of chaos. Authorities issued an orange-level alert advising the city's 22 million residents to stay indoors. The winds, driven by a cold vortex from Mongolia, wreaked havoc, leading to the cancellation of nearly 700 flights and closing public parks. To make matters worse, sandstorms swept in, drastically reducing visibility and disrupting transportation across 8 provinces. This extreme weather event serves as a stark reminder of the escalating challenges posed by climate change in our region.